Q Network in Wales is about welcoming improvement champions from across health, social care, charitable sectors. It provides a really good opportunity for people to connect with others and to learn and share together and collaborate. So we want to get as many people together that are involved in improvement in Wales into the Q Wales network.
So in fact, I've managed to get so much out of it, all the things I wanted to get out of it from joining. And the big thing is about meeting other people and having those face-to-face conversations are so powerful about sharing ideas and developing other ideas and facing challenges and finding out what people have done to overcome those challenges and move their quality improvement forward.
The Q community has developed a huge amount over the last 3 years, and I can't see that stopping. Q members make of Q what they will, so we start to see it developing in new ways all the time, depending on how local Q members are getting together and making a change.
I think it's an absolutely fantastic initiative. I think, although on the face of it, it may seem a very different business that we're in, the NHS and the MOD, I think there's probably far more that unites us than does divide us.
I wanted to join Q to take my quality improvement activities outside my practice. Up till now I've been doing quite a lot of work in my own general practice, but I think it's important to network with other people and to get ideas from other people about what they're doing in their organisations.